students, let me continue our discussion or plane geometry, grade 10 mathematics. That means in the previous discussion we are seeing that plane figures, that mean triangles, quadrilaterals, and also here circles. In the previous discussion we are seeing that what is triangle and theorems related on triangle, and also special quadrilaterals, trapezium, parallelogram, square, rectangle, and also rhombus. Now let me continue our discussion on more on circles. What is circle mean here? Circle is a plane figure. All points which are equidistant from one given point center, and also terms related on circles here. There is this line segments AB and PQ are chords of a circle. That means AB, the line segment PQ, these are chords of a circle. And also OC is known as radius of this circle centered at center O. Here OC is radius of a circle. More on here, PQ and AB are chords of a circle. Chord means the line segment that joins two endpoints of a circle. And also here AB is largest chord. That means the largest chords of a circle is known as diameter of a circle. That means 2 times that of radius. This is known as diameters of a circle. That means the largest chord of a circle. And also the line segment, the portion of circumference of a circle is known as arc. Here, this is arc AXC. Which arc mean? This arc from A to C is this segment is known as arc of a circle. Here, there is other arc CB. CP is also other arc. AB is also another arc. And also PQ are arcs of a circle. These are terms that are seen in the idea of circle here. What is this angle? That means the angle formed at the center of a circle. That means the angle formed by COP is known as central angle. This is central angle. This angle BOC. This angle BOC or COB is central angle. Therefore, the other term related on circles is the central angle is equal with the intercepted arc. These are seen in grade 9. Here, the first idea, angles and arcs determined by two intersecting lines inside a circle. That means the line intersect inside a circle. Here, measure of central angle, the measure of central angle means the angle formed by at a center is the same as the arc subtending it. This means this is circle at center O. Therefore, the measure of central angle POQ mean that mean measures of angle POQ. That means this angle is central angle mean the same as measures of the intercepted arc. Which is intercepted arc for this angle? Arc PXQ. PXQ is the arc intercept this angle. Therefore, the measures of central angle equals with the measures of the intercepted arc. Here, measures of angle POQ the same as measures of this intercepted arc PXQ. For example, the measure of the central angle is, let me say this one is 60 degree. Therefore, what is the measures of this arc? Therefore, the measure of arc PXQ is the same as the measures of this central angle. Therefore, this is 60 degree, the same as 60 degree. When we give angle POQ is 60 degree, therefore the intercepted arc PXQ is also 60 degree. Therefore, the measure of central angle is equal with the intercepted arc. Now let me see theorems related on circles. Here, the measure of an angle inscribed in a circle is half of the measure of the arc subtending it. What is mean this one? What is arc subtending it? What is inscribed angle? Inscribed angle means the angle formed inside a circle. This angle is known as inscribed angle. And also subtending arc means the arc subtends that angle is known as subtending arc. Therefore, here angle ABC is inscribed by the arc ABC. This is inscribed arc. Angle ABC is inscribed by the arc ABC, inscribed by this arc. Angle ABC is subtended by, here is the first idea, angle ABC is subtended by arc AXC. Students, you must be identify what is inscribed arc and subtending arc. Inscribed arc, the angle inscribed by a certain arc. That means ABC is the arc inscribed this angle, but subtending arc means the arc formed by the opposites of the angle. That means this angle is subtended by AXC. Therefore, the idea of this theorem is the angle inscribed in a circle is half of the measure of the subtending arc mean the measure of, given here center O is angle inscribed angle B and intercepted arc AC or AXC is intercepted arc. Therefore, the measure of angle ABC is half of measure of the intercepted arc AXC. This is the idea of the first theorem. Here let me add, when we give this angle is, let me 30 degree. Let me give this angle 30 degree. What is the measure of the arc AXZ? Here measure of angle ABC is the same as half of measure of the intercepted arc AXC. Therefore, how to find the measure of arc AXC? Here ABC is given by 30 degree. This means half of the measure of arc AXC. Therefore, take crisscross for this one. It gives measure of arc AXC is the same as 30 degree multiplied by 2. This means the same as 60 degree. Therefore, the measure of inscribed angle is the measure of the arc subtending. It means this one. This is the inscribed angle. The angle inscribed in a semicircle is a right angle. What does this mean? Semicircle is a right angle. That means there is a circle here. This is circle with center O. This one is center O. Therefore, there is a semicircle here. This is a semicircle. Therefore, the measure of here, ABC here. Therefore, the measure of this angle is 90 degree. How to get this one? Measure of angle ABC is the same as half of the measure of the intercepted arc. Which one is the intercepted arc? AC. This intercepted arc is inscribed by semicircle. Semicircle means half of 660 degree. It gives 180. That means measure of angle ABC is the same as half of AC is 180, half of full circle, therefore times 180 degree. This means the same as what is half times 180 degree is 90 degrees. Therefore, an angle inscribed in a semicircle is right angle mean it gives 90 degree. In other words, this is right angle mean 90 degree. Therefore, an angle inscribed in a semicircle is gives 90 degree or right angle. Here, two parallel lines intercept congruent arc on the same circle. What is the idea of this one? Here is EF is tangent line and BC is secant line. These two parallel lines, this line and this line are parallel, this line and this line are parallel, this line and this line is also parallel. In three cases, these two lines are parallel, therefore this parallel line on a circle intercepts a congruent arc mean the arc formed by this tangent line and this secant line intercepts two arcs, that mean arc AB is congruent with measure of this arc is the same as with measure of arc AC. This is the idea. And also this is two secant line intercept, two parallel secant line intercept in a circle. It forms two arcs. AC is the same as with BD. And also here two tangent lines. Two tangent line means the line touches at one point in for this circle. Therefore, measure of AB, arc AB equals with measure of arc AB. That means the same arc here. Here AB, here also AB. These are 180 equal in measure. This is the idea. Two parallel lines intercept on a congruent arc means this one. This is the first case. EF are tangent here. Here also both parallel line AB and CD are secant line here. The third one, when both of the lines are AF and GH are tangent line, it forms congruent intercepted arc. Let me see here an angle formed by tangent and chord drawn from point of tangency measured by half of an arc intercept. It means, let me see this figure. This tangent line and this chord forms an angle here. What is the name of this angle mean? Measure of angle ABC. This is formed by the chord AB and the tangent line BC. Therefore, the measure of this angle mean half of the measure of intercepted arc AXB. Therefore, the angle formed by tangent and chord drawn from the point of tangency measured by half of the arc intercept, it means this idea. For example, given here, given the arc measures of arc AXB is given by, let me 120 degree. What is the measures of this angle ABC? Therefore, measures of angle ABC mean ABC equals half of measures of the intercepted arc given by 120 degree. Therefore, this means the same as 60 degree. Therefore, the angle formed by tangent and chord drawn from point of tangency measured by half of the measure of the arc it intercepts mean this idea. Here, measures of angle ABC, half of measures of angle AXB. The next theorem, the measures of an angle formed by two chords intersecting inside a circle mean there is two chords CD and AB intersect at P. Therefore, this idea mean measures of angle CPA or the vertical opposite angle PBD are equal. Therefore, it is vertical opposite angle. This angle is the same as half of the intercepted arc mean half of measures of which arc? AXC and plus half of measures of the arc BYD. This is the idea of this theorem. The measures of an angle formed by two chords intersecting inside a circle is half of the sum of the measure of the arc subtending the angle and vertical opposite angle means this idea. Here let me see here measures of angle BPD. BPD mean which angle? This angle. That means this angle. BPD mean half of the measures of the arc XC plus half of the measures of the arc BYD. The same as measures of angle CPD is the same, because this is the same as measures of angle CPD. Why it is equal? Vertical opposite angle. Two angles are vertical opposite angle. Therefore, this is the same idea. Let me see here an example. The measures of this angle is 48 degrees. The measures of this arc is 42 degrees. Therefore, how to find the measures of arc AQ? How to find AQ? This arc AQ. The measure of, using the above theorem, measures of angle ARQ mean half of measure of the arc PB and plus with measure of arc AQ. This arc AQ. Therefore, measure of ARQ is given by what? 48 degree. 48 degree equals half of measures of BP is 42 degree plus with half of measures of AQ. This means, what is half of 42? This means 18 degree equals half of 42 mean 21 degree plus half of measures of this arc AQ. Here, let me transfer this number from this side. This means 48 degree minus 21 degree equals half of measures of arc AQ. Here, what is 48 degree minus 21 degree? This means the same as what? 27 degree means the same as half of measures of AQ. Here, let me take recross measures of AQ. It gives multiplied by 2 in other word 54 degree. Here, this is how to find the measures of AQ. Now the same as here, AQ is 54 degree here. This is angles formed by two chords intersecting inside a line. There is also product property here. What is product property mean? The lengths two intersecting chords are intersect in a circle shown here. There is YP and PX, AP and PB. Therefore, the distance AP equals with PB, and also AP, the product here, AP times BP, the same as XP multiplied by PY here. This is proved by using similarity idea that are seen in grade 9 section. The next part, angle and arcs determined by lines intersecting outside a circle. That means these two intersecting lines outside a circle. Let me see the first theorem here. The measure of the angle formed by lines of two chords intersecting outside a circle mean there is outside a circle intersection that are seen before it is inside a circle. Now let me see outside a circle here. These intersecting lines are formed connected in outside a circle at point B. Therefore, measure of this angle mean. That mean measure of angle P mean the same as half of measure of the larger arc BY minus half of the smaller arc measure of the smaller arc AX. Therefore, measure of angle P mean half of measures of PY minus half of measures of AX. Let me see here, measure of angle P mean half of measures of BY minus half of measures of AX. Therefore, two lines intersect outside a circle at common point P. It gives the angle formed by these two intersecting line is half of the difference of the intercepted arc and the smaller arc. This is the idea. The next theorem, here, one tangent line and a secant line connected outside a circle. The measure of an angle formed by here tangent line and secant line drawn to a circle from outside the circle is equal to one half the difference of the measure of the intercepted arc. This means measures of angle P is equal to half of measures of here AXD minus half of measures of BD. This is the idea. Here, measures of angle P, half of measures of AXD minus half of measures of BD mean this angle P means the difference of the arc AXC and the arc BD. Here, measures of angle P, half of measures of AXD minus half of measures of the arc BD. Let me see the third theorem here. If secant and tangent are drawn from outside at a point of tangency, this is the distance. What is the distance? Here given by PA, the distance PA square mean is the same as the product of PB times PC. Therefore, the segment PA square mean multiplied by PC. You can see the proof on your textbook. This one here. Let me do example related on these three theorems. Let me do an example here. In figure below, a secant PA and PC formed by is given here. Angle AFC is 86 degree and angle APC is 40 degree as shown in the figure. Therefore, how to find the arc AC and BD and also the angle, this angle. Here, which angle AFC? AFC means this is what? 86 degree. And angle P. This angle is given by, let me draw here. This is 86 degree. This is 40 degree. Therefore, how to find using theorems that are lines intersecting outside a circle and inside a circle, using that theorem, how to find the arc AC and BD first. First, let's measures of arc AC, let me say this is let X. Measures of arc DB, let me Y. Using theorems that are seen before, measures of angle AFC mean the same as half of measures of arc AC plus with half of measures of arc BD. Therefore, using this idea, what is measures of AFC? AFC is 86 degree. 86 degrees equal to half of here, let X is the X, plus what is BD here? Y, half of Y here, Therefore, this means 86 degree equals half of measures of X plus Y, taking common. Let me cross here. X plus Y equals, what is 86 multiplied by 2? It gives 172 degree. Let this one the first equation. Let me use the next theorem. That means two lines intersecting outside a circle, it forms an angle here. Measures of angle P mean half of measures of this arc AC minus half of measures of which arc? BD. Half of measures of BD here. What is BD? BD is Y. This means half of x minus half of y. In other words, BD is y, AC x. The angle P is 80 degree. Sorry, not 80 degree here, 40 degree. 40 degree means the same as half of x minus y. Here, x minus y equals multiplied by 240, it gives 80 degree. This is the second equation. There is two equations here. The first equation is here. The second equation is here. Therefore, let me solve these two equations simultaneously. Simultaneously means taking two equations in systems of linear equation into variables. There are three methods for solving systems of linear equation into variable: substitution method, elimination method, and graphical method. Let me use elimination method here. Here is the first equation is x plus y. The first equation, x plus y is equal to 172. X minus y is equal to 80 degree. Here let me use x plus y is equal to 172 degree, and x minus y is equal to 80 degree. Solve this one in systems of linear equation into variable. Add vertically. This is 2x equals, this is 0. 172 plus 180 degree mean 252 degree. This means the same as divided by 2. It gives x is equal to what? 252 divided by 2. It gives, I think, 150. Let me add here. 172 plus 80 degree. It gives 2512. Therefore, let me divide this one. 126 degree. X is 126 degree. How to find y? X plus x minus y is equal to 80 degree. Let me substitute here. 126 degree minus y is equal to 80 degree. This means the same as minus y is equal to 80 degree minus 126 degree. This means minus y is equal to 80 minus 126 mean. Let me first subtract 100 minus 80. What is the result? 6. Here 12 minus 4. This is negative 46 degree. Therefore, let me divide by minus 1. Let me divide by minus 1. Therefore, y is equal to 46 degree. This is the result. How to find measures of angle ABC? Measures of angle BC is half of the measure of the intercepted arc AC. Therefore, this means half of, which one is the intercepted arc here? This the intercepted arc AC is found here, 126 multiplied by 126 degree. This means the same as what is half of 126? It gives 63 degree. Therefore, measures of angle ABC is 63 degree, and measures of arc AC is, this is 126 degree. This is 126. This is 60 degree, and arc BD is 46 degree. This is all. Let me see the last topic related on regular polygons. Perimeter and perimeter, side lengths, apothem, and regular polygon are seen in grade 9. Here are theorem, formula to find lengths of side, apothem, perimeter, and area of regular polygon. Here, side lengths to r sine 180 degree over n. Apothem r cos 180 degree over n. Apothem mean the distance from the center of regular polygon to the perpendicular to the side of a triangle is known as apothem of a triangle. Therefore, using this idea, you can calculate side lengths, apothem, perimeter, and area of regular polygons. Let me see the next idea. Here, area of regular polygon. The area of regular polygon with n side lengths and radius r is given by here. A half n r square sine 360 degree over n. You can also calculate by using the ideas that are discussed in grade 9. Area is equal to half apothem times perimeter. Using this idea, you can calculate the area of the regular polygon intercept in a circle. That means, first, what is regular polygon mean? You know in grade 9, this one. What is regular polygon mean? Regular polygon is a polygon that has equal length of side and equal interior angle. This is known as regular polygon. Using this idea, you can calculate the side lengths, perimeter, apothem, and areas of these regular polygons by using these formulas. Now let me see example related on regular polygons. Find the area of regular 12-sided polygon with radius 3 unit. What is the side of a polygon? N is 12. What is radius? R is given by 3. Therefore, how to find the area? Here, N is 12, R is 3 unit. Therefore, how to calculate area? Area is equal to half N R square sine 360 degree over N. Therefore, let me substitute these parameters from this formula. It gives here half 12 centimeter times 3 square times sine 36 over 12. Therefore, 6 times 9 centimeter sine 30 degree. What is the values of sine 30 by using the idea of special angles in chapter 5? Here, sine 30 degree mean half in value. Therefore, 6 times 9 times 1 half. This is 27 square units. This is what is the area of this 12-sided regular polygon with radius 3 units. And also here activities that are due in your home. The first one, true-false items. The second one, let me see this one, choice questions. You can do this one in your home. And also the last one, workout questions here. Let me do this one by yourself in your home. Please, students, study hard in your home and protect yourselves this COVID-19. Thank you very much.